with all of you. 2021, for those that are not aware, I saw the video, I saved it because internet do not forget. That is why I said anybody will wrong me online, drag me on Facebook. If you won't apologize, you go to Facebook. If you drag me offline, we quarrel offline. If we want settle, we go settle offline. It's my law. And I love it that way. If you want me as a friend or as a colleague or as anybody, you want us to be in a good place, and you know, say you offend me online, you will come back online and apologize. You will make up. If the gravity of your offense is not that big, but if it's big and it's something I cannot cope with, we'll continue. That's it. So let me take you guys to my reason. I don't want to hear their voice because of the memory of late Sharon. Yeah. They all ganged up. This is them on live video. 2021. This is them on live video. 2021. Okay? So because of... I cover... See all of them for live video. Okay? You see all of them on live video. That's 2021. Una de see Amabi. That's 2021. May I bring comment out? Una see that live video. Shebi una see the live video when I show now. That was 2021. Yeah? Una see the live video. Yes, I will clarify it. See, this is all of them. 4 of them on the live video. Look at her. Look at them. Now me that they insult online, so insult. Said all sorts of things. You see it? That's the live video they did 2021 December. They all came out and started bashing me. Okay. Started bashing me, started insulting for no reason. What did I do that 2021? What was my offense? If una go feel listen to all Dark Mangolo musicians, una go listen to my own. That was my statement. I did not say actresses. I did not say actors. All of them came out live and started insulting me. Then insult me so they drag me reach our association. Mona listen, no. Uno hear my others, my side of the story. You they judge me. I don't only cause on anybody. They drag me to the association 2021 to 2022. I was suspended from the association. Association that I belong to. They dragged me, these 4 people dragged me. I was suspended. That was how I moved from Benin to the eastern part of Nigeria. They insulted me, insulted my family, insulted my late father. That was how the quarrel and the fight started. I said to myself, you know what? Let me ignore these people and move on with my life. So early this year, which is after 2 years, when I take day on my own, they do my thing. Mona, they listen. No, I beg as soon as they share this video of yesterday where they viral, Mona, they insult an innocent person. Mona, share this one like that. That was how I was suspended. I left. It was painful. Because if I had insulted any of them, if I had looked for their trouble, it no go pay me. This one, I don't do anything. I just bring me out. Do live video 5 times for my head every day. It's painful. This is a sad time. It's painful. What happened. It's not supposed to happen. Because there's no half for not to talk this story in future. Even if all of us don't marry, we don't do husband house. Because what they do me, pay me for body. For no reason. Now insult me online. What did I do now? So down to 2024. 2004. 2024, yeah. The part wanna say I get bad mind. I see this one, the screenshot comments come for me. And I read them. When I say I be bad person, as my friend begged me rich, I refuse. It's funny. So after all these things where they do me online for no reason, because say my friend begged me, I for let go. Abi, when I see the one that they sentimental with my judgment, it's well. It is well, oh, because in all these 2 years, I dare every one of them to bring a chat where them chat me privately, say, Ebony, wetin we do you, no verse. Let's go. Make we rest. I dare them to bring it. Or I dare them to bring any write-up they did on Facebook. Say, Ebony, for dragging you 2021 December. We are sorry, let peace reign. Was there any chat like that? No. So, my friend won't do marriage 2024. Them reach out to her, say, them won't join bridal shower. I can't say, I don't want to do bridal shower with them. So I don't have right. Right? I don't have right. Because I want make peace reign. Peace reign. Nobody say they apologize to me for what they did. Mind you. Nobody say they call for any kind of settlement. Say they call me. I can't say no. I not agree. Or them call me. I not come pick their call. Because when I won't join bridal shower. Make peace reign. As soon as say people should mourn the way they choose to mourn. Now so I go leave people to get angry the way they choose to get angry. You cannot beat a child and also tell the child not to cry. You cannot beat somebody or tell the person, say, see, as I beat you, so go inside, go do like this, they cry. Or do like this, they cry. No, now. No, now. If you don't beat person, don't have dead button or fear button. Who so many? People heal differently. People hurt differently. People let things go differently. So you people cannot be bashing me online, telling me that after all your friends beg you, may you let peace reign. You know here. Now my friend offend me. Come on now. Why are we always like this? Now my friend wronged me. My friend tell me, say, see people come or I beg, babe, let peace reign. I say no. How is that a problem? My friend did not tell me, babe, but all these girls say, may you are beg, may you let peace reign, may all of us rest, but may you pull us for lamb, all of us talk. There was nothing like that. I only told my friend, I don't want to be with these people. I don't want to be around them. Their sights, oh, I don't know what, I don't want trouble. I don't want to be the reason why something went wrong on your bridal shower day. I don't want it. She respected my opinion. She respected me as a friend. She said, okay. So how is that an issue? If it was not even trouble they were looking for from me. But the main party, every one of them came. They bought the clothes. They made their dresses. I made my own dress. I was on my own because it's a big party. If people don't get it, a bridal shower is few close friends coming together to honor their friend. That is a bridal shower, in case you don't know. So there is no how we all will be there, like maybe 12 or 15 girls. 3 of them there are not my friends. Ah, God. Oh, shit. But I don't really, when I want to make a job in mumu for life, it doesn't work that way. That was what happened. They didn't call me to apologize to me for what they did to me. They didn't call me to say, let's settle. They did not call me by themselves. There was nothing like that. So why are you people dragging me now? Why are you people making me feel like I'm a bad person? People hurt me. People drag me. People make association when I belong to suspend me. You people want me to be happy? Why are you people judging like this? Why? Why are you people doing this? This is not fair. This is not right. This is not right, to be honest. This is not fair, yo. This is not fair. I didn't do anything. I was on my own when they dragged me. Do you people know that this same girl, this same woman dragged me 2 months ago? Brought me to her platform, mentioning my name and comparing me with a little girl who is like my younger sister. Comparing me with her. What has she not done to me? What has she not done to me in this cyberspace? I kept quiet. Ah, come on now. Oh, gonna do. What's going on? If people just hear Ebony, oh yeah, the whole world wants to be on a lockdown. Come on now. What have I done to you guys? Ah, God. It's not nice, oh. It's not nice, eh? It's really not nice. It's really not nice. So, excuse me, guys. Okay, now, I'll answer you before I block you, sweetheart. So that is what happened that made me so mad. So in all these years, I was not... For all these years, we were not friends. So do you people now expect me, because we were not friends, now that she passed, I should be celebrating? No, tell me. I need an answer on the comment section. Because we were not friends while she was alive. So now that she has passed, was I supposed to celebrate or supposed to be happy? I need an answer. Do you know what those people put me through? Do you know how traumatized I was? So what if I had died then? People didn't think about that. People are selfish. I know, say emotional blackmail don't enter, I understand, because someone has passed, which it hurts me, trust me. But I need an answer in the comment section. Because we're not friends while she was alive, was I supposed to celebrate now that she has passed? Okay. Now, if this will make you all happy, since you now say I'm not supposed to talk for this matter, I don't know, say, as somebody pass, somebody when me and her close before. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, 1 minute. Good job. Do you know I love Facebook? Is it this my iPhone 15 Pro Max that I'm saying it? This one's sweet, though. Sunshine, thank you. So, because we're not friends while she was alive, was I supposed to pop champagne, take any scene, moet, they celebrate, say, best women I know they talk, don't go like that. I'm not a witch. I can't do that. Come on. We know the talk, no me say it reached that level. So for those of you that are just coming, this is the live video they all did to insult me that time. Look at them. This live video was mainly for me. And they came out for 5 days. Back to back to insult Ebony Obasuyi for no reason. So you see why it's hard to forgive, because internet do not forget. Internet do not forget. So was I supposed, Mona answer me now, I'm listening. Was I supposed to celebrate because we're not friends Was I supposed to celebrate when she passed? Okay. It's well. No problem. No need of forgiveness because she's... Oh, yeah. Yeah, because it's so sad. It's so sad. Trust me. To be honest, it's so sad. Because the opportunity was no longer there to air my mind for her to watch me air my mind like this. Because it would have been a day like this where I would remind them all of what they did to me. That made me say, you know what? You people should go and leave me alone. Okay, I'm not supposed to say anything now that she's late. Okay, fine. My bad. I didn't know that I was not supposed to mourn someone that was once a friend and no longer a friend. I didn't know that when people quarrel with you guys, when you quarrel with your people, or when you have issues with people, I will try to forgive people, yes. But if they apologize, how do you forgive people now? So this is another question. I want you guys to teach me. Oh, this is a live video that I may not have the opportunity to come out and discuss this again. Okay, so when somebody wrong you and they come to say sorry, how do you just forgive? People should tell me. When you quarrel with somebody, or somebody offended you, or somebody hurt you so bad, the person did not come to say, I am sorry, or please forgive me for what you did. How do you forgive? Tell me. You should tell me. You should tell me. How do you forgive someone that did not apologize to you to say sorry? God bless you. God bless you. Purity Lara. I'm supposed to pin this, your comments. Yeah, I've pinned it down. How do you forgive people that did not come and apologize to you? How? I stayed in my lane because